Thank you for watching this quick how-to screencast, brought to you by RAM Tracking Support. To find more content like this, visit our help center at help.ramtracking.com. The Live Grid provides the perfect summary of your vehicles, conveniently at the heart of the system just below the live map view. Identify your vehicles by registration number or driver name, and easily review specific information along each row, including assigned group, full address, current speed, ignition status, and the latest registered event. If you want to take a closer look at a specific vehicle, just double-click on the individual row and the live map will take you there. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, you can find more content like this by visiting our help center at help.ramtracking.com.